wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Do your full face.
You gonna do my full face?
Huh?
Dre is picking my makeup today.
I'm gonna do her a full face.
Okay.
And she's gonna film the video.
Uh-huh. Based off Dre's pics.
Based off my pics.
Let's go. So she's done.
I'm done. Y'all, I can't wait for her to try these. Okay, let's do a mini haul.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So we got the Patrick Ta face palette. This has a foundation and the powder together. I got her the Charlotte Tilbury sunscreen primer. Y'all, try it. This is good.
I know this.
Hopefully she likes it, but I love it. Like, it's so good. The Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way concealer, the new one. We also got the Riffy Serum, whatever.
Serum.
Serum.
Actually, now that we're on camera,
Se
y'all, how
you
is
know
it
what?
pronounced? Is it serum?
It's serum.
Serum.
It's serum.
Serum.
Anyway,
Ooh.
the Riffy brow pencil, the Sephora. Okay, I really want her to try this.
So she hasn't even tried it yet.
I haven't tried it yet, but I want her to try because I don't hear nobody talk about it. Ooh. It's the Sephora S Clean Velvet Cream Blush Palette. And it's this one right here. What color did I get? I don't know the color, but that's what it looks like. We also got, the NARS bronzer. This is the new shade in Laguna number 5. And she got me a sample in here. What is this? Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. We got the Makeup by Mario Lip MoistureGlow Plumping Lip Serum in the serum.
Now you're gonna have to say the word 10,000 times today.
Mega Glow.
Uh-huh.
And the Sephora matte blush, which I love. I want to get this color though, but I want her to try this color out on her. This is the shade Hot Flush.
Okay.
So stay tuned for her to put this on her face.
You know what? Hey guys, so you saw the beginning of the video. Very random decision in Sephora yesterday. She was like, you should let me pick your makeup. So that is what I let her do, and I am now going to do a full face bit. I already started with one of the things she picked up because I do my brows off camera. This was the Riffy brow pencil in the shade Dark. It's definitely dark, but you know, I do have like pretty jet black hair. If you also notice, like what looks like little, it's water on my hair. I like it. I feel like it was, when I opened it, I was like, oh, I don't really, you know, remember or have seen brow pencils that have looked like this before, but in a good way, if I can get it out. So this is what the actual pencil looks like. You see how skinny it is? Like the actual product itself is also very skinny. I like it though. As you can see, like it makes it easier to do like hair strokes if that's how you do your brows. The people who like, you know, more laminated brows, you can do it that way. Like, I feel like you would like this pencil, but I like this. Good friend choice, good choice, friend, good choice. Okay, so she also picked the Patrick Ta Major Skin Cream Foundation and Finishing Powder Duo in the shade Deep 1. I've yet to try anything from Patrick Ta because a lot of the brand be given is just not meant for my black ass. So I haven't tried anything, but this looks like it had something in my shade. I was looking at one of the blushes and it was supposed to be like one of the deeper shade blushes. It wasn't very much so giving deep, but these are Miss AndreaRenee's choices, so that's what we're going with. This is what the actual product looks like. Cute packaging. And then the actual product, how do you open this thing? Okay, the actual product looks like this. So it comes with the powder that you would use to set, and then this is the actual foundation. Oh, okay. Usually, you know, it's just a little thing that you take off, but you actually like drop that over it because you know cream products can dry out. I like that. Not gonna lie, I like that. Okay, let me put it on my face. Oh wait, no, my bad. Before I can put on foundation, I have to prime my face first. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Invisible UV Flawless Primer, Flawless Looking Skin, and Daily Defense. So it's also a broad spectrum SPF 50. I think this was in my wish list. I think it is. I know something from Charlotte Tilbury is in my wish list. This is what the actual product looks like. Oh. Listen, brands are getting real cute with their little packaging. I mean, they gotta do something to catch the eye, but let's see. Where's the product? Do y'all see how hard I'm squeezing? Nothing's coming out. I'm confused. Oh, is there like a cap or something? Like a sticker I gotta take off? Oh. Okay, so that's what the product looks like. And then you can close it. How cute is that? I might have pumped up too much. Do this one? Yeah, it smells like SPF. And just gonna blend that in. I'm not using the Danessa primer, so these products gonna have to stand on their own. Okay, for having SPF 50, didn't leave a cast. Okay. Now for foundation. I think she's real creamy. It smells like those mints that your grandma keeps in her purse. I don't like how it smells. Yeah, I don't like how it smells. But how does it look is the question. Okay, I feel like she's giving skin, which is why I usually like cream products. Buildable. I feel like I would have to build it some more to get like medium coverage. Definitely not full coverage right out of the container. And then she picked the new concealer from Too Faced. It's the Born This Way Ethereal Illuminating Smoothing Concealer in the shade Honey Graham. Pretty sure this is supposed to be like a brightening shade. This is what the actual product looks like, and I was interested in trying this concealer. I have tried the like first Born This Way concealer. She's cute. I know like it's a lot of people's like staple concealer. She was just cute to me, but let's see. Definitely a brightening shade. For bronzer, this is the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream in Laguna 5. Ooh, excuse me. I also have this in my wish list. And I've heard good things about it, so it looks like this. If you guys remember, like a while back, I picked up a different NARS bronzer, and yeah. But this is what it looks like. Miss Mamas could not make up her mind when it came to blushes. She picked up, well, they're both from Sephora. This, what is this called? This blush from Sephora. This is in the shade Hot Flush. And then she also had me try this blush palette from them. It's their Clean Velvet Cream Blush Palette. I got some of the foundation on it, which she hasn't even tried yet, but she was like, I'm gonna have you get it. And then I guess based off what I say, she'll know if she wants to get it or not. But ooh, I can open it here. So this is what the palette looks like. It's got, oh, that's cute. Ooh, and then there is the inside. I'm gonna use this one. This is cute. Look at the shades. Look at that. Dark skin friendly. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Ooh. Trying to think. I'm gonna use these two shades today. So this pink magenta one. And the last thing I have to try is this Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Serum in the shade Mocha Glow. Okay, so it looks like this. And I feel like it's gonna give just natural lip color. So, ooh, okay. Didn't expect all of that. Damn. Gotta wipe some of that off. Oh, what is happening? I'm not sure why it applied like that. But that is what it looks like. But we know I never do just one lip color over here. Okay, I'm gonna have to, because that was getting on my nerves. And that is it for my face. Okay. Okay, so rundown of the things that I tried on my face. Like I said, the Reefy brow pencil, absolutely, I love it. It is dark, even though I'm not sure if there is like a black shade after this one, but this being the dark shade, it is pretty dark, but I like this one. The sunscreen primer, I'm gonna have to let that sit throughout the day, see how the makeup wears on top of that. I might just do a wear test, so maybe this video won't end here, maybe it will. The foundation, I didn't like how it smelled. I can still smell it, so I don't like how it smells. The actual product, it blended out nicely. It is very, you know, light coverage, but you can build it, it'll still look nice on the face. I don't think this is my foundation shade. I'm gonna have to look at the footage, so I'm not sure if it's this is not my foundation shade or the powder that you're supposed to put. Oh, I didn't film myself putting the powder on top, but I'm not sure if it's the foundation shade or if it's the powder that I put on top, but I'm not feeling it. I don't know, for some reason I feel like certain lighting, certain angles is looking too light. It's looking, that's not your foundation shade. And given what I already said about the brand, I think this is like the third to last. I think there's a D, like a deep 2, 3, and maybe a 4 after this one. The concealer, it blended out really nicely. It was smooth, like I said, it did brighten it like it said to. I felt like it was also giving creamy on the face. I like it. I'll probably continue using that one. What else did I try? NARS, I like cream bronzers. I just feel like they blend in nicely with the rest of your face. It just gives you a nice bronze look on the face. The shade works for me. The blushes, I'm not gonna lie, for some reason I thought they were like powder blushes. I don't know, I didn't realize. But they were pigmented, they look nice on the face, they look subtle on the face. I feel like a little more pigment than the Fenty blushes, but still like pigmented, but you know, not like, you know, blush, like blush on the face, like, oh, you blushing. It's not like that. And then the Makeup by Mario, I like the shade of it. I do feel like it's plump because I can feel that tingling in my lips right now. I don't know why it applied like that. It felt like it just like slapped me in the face. Like why was it so aggressive with how it came out of the tube? But you know, once I got that together, like how it looked on, and it plays nicely with other lip colors. So for the most part, okay, friend, I see you. Mind you, she had so much fun in that Sephora picking that stuff out. She's like, I like this. This is fun. Like she genuinely was happy doing that. So if you watch this, I genuinely like a majority of everything that you picked out, except for that foundation, friend. I don't know. I don't know about that one. But thank you to her for helping me with today's video, because the whole reason it started is I was telling her I do not know what to film today. And y'all should, you know, go over to her channel. I feel like if you follow, then you already know who she is. But if you don't, Andrea Renee, sweetheart, love her. If you watch any of my vlogs, like, we're always together. Y'all go, oh, she also has a YouTube channel, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you go over there and you subscribe, but also make sure you go over there, even if you are subscribed, go over to whatever video she posts today and let her know, just like, you know, she picked out my makeup for the day, she should let me pick out her outfit for the day. I've been trying to let her get me to do that for the last like year, and she won't let me do it. So go over and let her know, just like I did this video, let Too Much Mouth pick your outfit, just the outfit. I'm not even saying like a haul, just let me pick your outfit for the day. She probably won't. So since she won't, go over there, let me do the same thing. Let me pick her makeup for the day. That is it for today's video. Everything that I tried on today's video will be in the description down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.